Hey you guys, what is going on? The printer guy here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how the print quality compares between regular Epson OEM ink and Best Printers refill remanufactured ink. That's going to be linked down in the description below. But this is really just to show you that with two different sets of ink, two different printers, we're going to see the quality between these two types of ink. Is Epson better? Is the remanufactured Best Printers ink better? We're going to find out. I used the exact same type of photo paper for both of these prints, the same exact settings. Everything was exactly the same. The only difference is going to be the ink that was used. And of course, as I said, I used two totally different Epson EcoTank 2400 printers so that I could segregate and have two different types of ink. I installed the Best Printers ink on one from the beginning, so the very first ink that ever touched the printer was Best Printers, and of course the other one was with the Epson ink. And so that's going to give us a really good indication of the quality between the two. The same settings being used, the same type of photo paper being used is really going to show us the print quality differentiation. Now, the only difference I could say here that you will see with these shots is the lighting. The lighting might be a little bit different, but as you can see here already, very similar photo prints. Now, what you see on camera is going to differ a little bit from what you see in person. So from my perspective, I believe that these were very close to being exactly similar, but they were not exact. There was a slight difference between the two photos, but you really had to look for it, and it was a challenge to see it. But you kind of noticed it. There just isn't a big enough difference to really say. The only difference here is that there's more lighting in one shot than the other. But when it comes to depth, color, and overall print quality, they are virtually the same. And this photo is probably the best representation to be able to see that they are virtually the same. All the colors are pretty much coming out identically. But if you were skeptical on using a third-party ink like the Best Printers ink, I hope that this video kind of helps you give a visual representation and that you can make a better decision on whether to buy Epson ink or a third-party ink like Best Printers. Again, links down in the description below. If this video ended up being helpful, please make sure to like the video. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. I handpicked two videos that are here on the screen for you to watch next. Also consider subscribing to this channel. There's so much helpful content for you if you're a printer owner, and it's just good to have a resource like this for you in the future, whether you're dealing with a printer that's not printing well or you need more printer recommendations. So I look forward to seeing you again in another video.